Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your boy Looney. Today, the markets are taking a hit. Tech stocks are down, crypto is bleeding, and volatility is spiking. A significant factor is the public feud between President Trump and Elon Musk over the big, beautiful bill. Before we get started, quick shout out to the Discord. It is free to join. I also offer premium perks, which gives you access to a course, one-on-one coaching, live trade alerts, giveaways. You could check it out. All links will be in the description. But Musk today criticized the bill, or he's been criticizing the bill, calling it a disgusting abomination and saying that you can't have a beautiful bill and you could have a beautiful bill and you could have a big bill, but you can't have both. But all this led to Trump then threatening to revoke federal contract with Musk company. In response, Musk actually accused of Trump being in the Epstein files. So it got pretty crazy. You could look it up on X, but all of this has been public, which is pretty crazy. I'm not going to put my opinions on it right now, but because of this, the market has plummeted. We see Tesla being directly affected, and as we speak, it seems like it's coming back, but we can see it down 14% right now. We're seeing a little bit of a pullback or a push towards the upside now. It's up 6% overnight, but a lot of things were taking a hit. My portfolio was taking a hit actually as well. I'm down 1% or 700. Overall, not terrible. I am not panicking. I was waiting for this moment. I kind of kept cash on the side. I was selling very safe puts, sell puts, and just taking profit. So I was waiting for a situation like this, and I am just staying patient still and strategic. I have been buying this dip very cautiously. I'm not going all in. Instead, I'm just focusing on setting up some of my plays. So if we look at my call credit spreads, they're probably doing a lot better now. I mean, I have one for SoFi at 16 and Riot at 11 and another one for Riot, 12. This HIMS one is probably not going to do well, and I hope it doesn't offset all the gains, but we'll see how I'm going to manage this. I might have to double down or do a similar trade that protects me a little bit, but is this the same one I went through? No, there's another one. These are two more. So I have a lot of protection on the downside. I could have bought puts, but that I kind of wait for a little bit or a bigger signal because you can't really account for this situation. These credit spreads are because the stock was kind of overheating. So it was due for a pullback. So literally anything could have happened and a pullback could have happened. So it just so happens that this big debacle between Trump and Musk did cause this, but these trades aren't as good anymore because when I did them, they were a good trade. And now I'm benefiting probably from them. We're going to see market open tomorrow, but we're seeing now that a lot of the stocks are dropping. But I'm still being cautious. On the flip side, Hims and Hers, probably not the best trade, like I said, but still, just going to hold it. I am buying the dips very cautiously, and I'm just keeping an eye on the VIX because that does tell you a lot of what the market volatility is. When this whole thing happened with Trump and Elon, it was towards the end part of the day. So VIX did spike. I'm very curious to see where it ends tomorrow or starts tomorrow and ends tomorrow. I'm thinking 20. We'll see. And 20 is really when I start to really deposit my cash or deploy my cash. And then once we go to the 30 or above 30 is when I'm like all in. And that's where I start doing the buy calls or the more cash allocated plays. So buying long leap calls or just being more aggressive. So I'm still just staying patient, selling puts, selling calls, and just waiting for that entry. I did buy a few crypto today, but it's in a separate wallet or exchange that I don't go over on this channel for different reasons. It's just security reasons and I just don't want to promote some cryptos because cryptos can go up and down 100% in one day. I did do the IPO for Circle. I didn't get filled, but if I did, I would have made a lot of money. But that stock did go up 200%. If I go look at it, it is up 170%. But yeah, I would have actually made a lot of money from it. I had to cancel my limit buy because it didn't go through. So just remember, it's important to stay calm and just stick to your trading plan. That's why I have cash on the side. Cash is very useful, especially in a situation like this. I have a lot of cash, or compared to my total portfolio, a lot of cash to allocate to plays, sell puts, put credit spreads, or even buying calls. And that's what I was just discussing. So if you do want these real-time updates where I give trade callouts or just to discuss strategies, check out the Discord. It's free to join, and then the premium memberships are available for $8 a month, offering coaching, trade alerts, and more. Stay safe out there, and let's navigate this market together. Peace.